What's up YouTube? This is January 30th and this is the trade recap summary for today on the E-mini S&P futures. I'm trying to do a little bit different type of recap. Instead of watching the trades pan out through the whole video, I thought I'd just review the actual executions and my thought process behind it, then go over a piece of order flow nuance that I noticed throughout my trading day, and hopefully that may help some of the newer traders out there looking to use order flow to execute and also confirm their trades. So today, like I said, I took 3 trades. I was a little bit profitable. I basically took 2 losses. I got whiplashed around at the beginning, and then I grinded out one last trade and almost top ticked the day, I think, at 66.75. But the reason why I was able to do that was because of the order flow and what I saw for confirming to stay in the trade, so that I was able to see the trade through. So let's look at the trades here. First trade here, I see that there is an impulse up from the lows of the day, and it consolidates here, and then I start seeing the heat map here, the bids coming in and getting stronger. I execute here. Where's my execution here? Order size price at 58.25, and then I see the bids get stronger and I execute again, another contract at 58.75. So 2 ticks worse. I'm 2 contracts in. It starts chopping around. I see more bids come in, so okay. At this point, I'm confident that it's pushing up. I place my first scale out here, trying to anticipate the breakout of all these offers up here. So you can see that it's hammering away. See the dots here, and it pushes through, but it exhausted itself and it wasn't able to continue up to my first scale out. So it continues chopping around, starts coming back down, chops around my entry still, and basically at this point it fell through, and I see that there are offers coming in here. I wasn't confident, so I flattened the trade here for a loss. Then, genius me, I'm thinking that it's going to fall back down from today because it couldn't push higher here. Up here, it exhausted itself, it couldn't push through this here, and then tried again, attempted, couldn't push through, came back, consolidated, offers come in, pushes down, I flatten, and I see this pullback, slight pullback, and this offer was getting, see how it's getting from orange to deeper red. So that was getting stronger at this point, and I see all these bids come up here, so I'm looking to fade that small little bounce and go short. So I enter 2 contracts here. Executed order price 57.50. Yeah, and I get filled here. And of course, right when I get filled, you see all these bids, these green dots. You push through. Order book flips right here, and I'm like, oh crap! It's approaching here, and I'm looking. It's coming up past this zipper here. And it goes above it, so I'm pretty much flat again. So I got whiplashed here, basically whiplashed twice, first long and then second short. So I'm down like 24 ticks, I think, at this point, and I'm like, okay, well, let's see what happens. So impulse is up again, chops around, and I enter one contract here. Basically, yeah, one contract, and then I scale in again, looking for this break of all these offers here. It breaks, chops around again. I'm averaged in about 60, 59, 7, no, 60, 75-ish. And it chops around, finally grinds up to my first scale out at 62.75, and then I basically place my stop here. Chops around, keeps pushing, and chops around, keeps pushing, and you see how I'm moving my my scale up, my second scale up, my target here, higher and higher and higher and higher, until pretty much 66.75 here. Oh, actually, it keeps going up, so it keeps grinding. And so what made me keep moving up be confident in moving my second target, my second scale up higher and higher until I get executed here at 66.75. Almost the top tick here was 67, like super few contracts traded up here, so I probably wouldn't have got filled anyway at the top price there. So what made me stay in this trade and continue to move my target up, and be confident that it's grinding up and grinding up and grinding up. Well, we're gonna go look at another little clip that I recorded during the day of the order flow, and you can see how the bids keep coming in, keeps pushing and taking out the offers, and that's basically showing the order flow and how you can stay confident and confirmation that this trade you can keep staying in until it's exhausted, until you feel that and you can see that it's exhausting or there's no more push and the bids are taking over, the offers are taking over and they're hitting the bids and dropping the price, and that's when you can pretty much exit your trade. So we'll take a look at another clip of the order flow to show why I kept moving up my target. Okay, so this is the little video clip I recorded of the order flow when I was trying to scale out on my second target. So if we take a look at this number here, so the first number is the aggregate amount of trades that occurred at that price level, and of course if it's a white number in a bracket, that means it's traded on the offer, and if it's a gray number, it's traded on the bid. So you'll see that the order flow jostles back and forth here. So we got 255, 299. So you'll see some larger orders, as you can see with these green and red dots, that's indicated on here on the chart as well. So see there's some algos and some strong offers coming in here. So 45 traded. So here it scared me. 577 that traded all on the bid, big red dot. So I'm thinking, well, it didn't move down, so prices has to be absorbed. And then 737 here, all on the bid here, big dot again. So another big dot, and then another big dot, a few hundred, 800 traded here. So you see that the price keeps getting pushed up, and at this point I have my second target here at 66. So I see all these bids coming through here as well, along with a supporting offer. 295 trades at the bid. Clearly the bidders are coming in, and the buyers are trying to push the price up here. So I move my second target to 66.50. Big red heat map here, big bid here. So it's attacking this 66 level here now. Traded. So you continue to see green dots. 121, 224, 245. And you can see that the speed's picking up as well here. So this is good confirmation that, you know, the buyers are in control. So 238, sorry, 235, 286. Coming out, these bids are getting red. Every time it comes back down, 641, 459, 460. 46. So I basically put my stop right before 67 here. So because, you know, there's all these like strong offers here. 111, and I'm out. So you can see that, you know, I'm moving my stop up based on order flow. That big seller, I think it was 577, that hit the bid. It didn't even push the price down, and then right after that, all the strong bids came through, bidding out the price up, and then you can see that confirmed by the green dots and also the order flow number. So that's what I was looking at when I was continuing to move my target higher and higher, because I was confident that it would price would keep pushing higher. Okay, so that was the order flow. I hope that was helpful. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you like this video or found it helpful, and leave me some comments if you have any suggestions. Hit the like button even if you like these kind of videos and this new format that I'm doing, and I'll make more of them. So I appreciate you watching, and happy trading.